In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to work your plantar flexion in a squat position. So what I want you to do is I want you to bring your feet into a hip width position, and then from this hip width position, I want you to bring it slightly wider. Now from here, this is also known as a sumo squat position. So what you're going to do is you're going to be coming down into a squat. So you're going to be bringing your bum back, bending your knees and keeping your back straight. From this position, what I want you to do is I want you to come up into plantar flexion and down, up into plantar flexion and back down, up into plantar flexion and back down. Plantar flexion is also known as that calf raise position, and plantar flexion simply means to point the foot down. So in this case, you're doing calf raises, but in that squat position, that wide squat position. Once you've done that, you would repeat that for your desired amount of sets and repetitions. And that is how to do a squat with a calf raise or with plantar flexion.